And welcome back. Second half action now. Members of Jamaica's senior women's football team will be paid all outstanding fees from local football's governing body, the JFF, within the next 2 weeks. JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung made their commitment during an interview with the TVJ Sports' Karen Madden.
For the first time in its history, football's world governing body is paying prize monies to players based on how they finished at the recent FIFA Women's World Cup, jointly hosted by Australia and New Zealand. It means after Jamaica ended at the round of 16 stage, the 23 players in the Reggae Girlz squad will receive US $60,000, with the federation set to earn $1.87 million. An email communication from FIFA in response to TVJ Sports queries confirmed that the funds will be paid to the JFF, with the federation charged with paying over the fees to the players. FIFA also revealed that the federation will be monitored to ensure that the players get their money. That's important, given the long-standing issue of the JFF being tardy to pay over money to players. In fact, the JFF was in arrears with the players as well as the coaching and management staff from as far back as last year's Asian tour, but JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung told TVJ Sports those funds will also be paid up.
By that time also, we're projecting that we would have paid the girls for everything up until the World Cup. Right, so all the payments up to World Cup would have been made to them, including the monies from last year, South Korea, and everything for players and officials will be fully paid up. I expect within the next 2 weeks, all of that money will be fully paid up.
FIFA grants federations US $8 million as a subvention for a 4-year cycle, and each association can request forward money from that allocation once they satisfy the world governing body of their need. Ahead of the World Cup, the JFF also received $900,000 to assist with the team's preparation. Meanwhile, following their history-making performances, the Reggae Girlz will be celebrated when the team gathers in Jamaica in September.
Well, the girls are going to come in about 4 days in advance, right? Let me say that, we're really proud of what the girls have done. And I've spoken to the president about actually doing something for them. So we wanted to do something for them before the game. Obviously, we couldn't do it after the World Cup because most of them go back to different countries, but all of them will be here. And we're going to do something for them, and that will be announced to Jamaica.
The Reggae Girlz will next be in action in the CONCACAF Olympic qualifiers against Canada on September 22 at the National Stadium, before facing them again on September 26 at the BMO Stadium in Toronto. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.